Hi, this is my review for the Katchy indoor insect trap. Uh, I I live in Miami, Florida, so we get a lot of mosquitoes, and this thing has been a lifesaver. It's great. Has an automatic mode, so when it's as soon as it turns dark in the like there's very little light in the room, it'll automatically turn on. You can just do manual, and it turns on automatically. So it's great because it's not one of those bug catchers that it just like zaps the bugs. It somehow I don't know the technical, can't go into the technical of it because I'm not sure, but it releases like a carbon dioxide and this light. Maybe it's just the light, and then the bugs kind of go around here, and then this fan blows them down. Well, they'll go down, and then once they go down there, they can't fly back up because there's a fan there, so it keeps pushing them down, right? So once they fall in here, they're done. So it's a little, and this is the where you would plug it in, and it goes into an outlet. So this is a little bit of a gross part. It's not that bad, but I'll show you on the inside. You can see, and then I'll open it. I'll open the trap for you. So I apologize if you don't want to see dead bugs, but that's what this thing does. So give me just a moment so I can open this. So yeah, so you would open it on this right here, and then you would press this button, you pull this down, and there you go. So you have evidence that it works. So all these suckers are dead. And this is great because this is actually in my son's room, and to think that these bugs would have been biting my son is pretty concerning. And we live on the second floor, so this is just the ones that made it upstairs. So we have another one downstairs to catch the ones that are come in from downstairs, inside, in the back door or the front door, and then the ones that make it upstairs, we catch them in here. So yeah, so it's definitely helpful, especially in the summer or whenever you have a lot of mosquitoes. It definitely works. When you want to replace that inside, you can just replace the little bug. It's like a sticky residue, and then it just leaves them there, and then they die. So I like to wait until it's filled up, and then I'll throw it away. It is extremely sticky, so just when you're going to replace it, just know that do it carefully, so you don't, like, if it gets on your hand, it's gonna, like, the whole thing will stick to your hand. So you have to be careful. I mean, just, it's not dangerous, but it's it's just really sticky. So, and then you can see the logo there. So yeah, so it's a great tool to kill bugs, and I've really enjoyed it. So hope you check it out.